Hi, my name is Neema and I'll be taking over this channel.
Hello beautiful people, it is Bells and But of course, and I'm back with another video, and today I'll be transforming her into me or me into her. I don't know, but we'll be looking alike somehow, somewhere.
My name is Neema.
And let's just jump right into the video. This is what I use for the, what do you call this, for the eyebrow. So this is us, guys. I tried my best to transform her into me. I don't know what you think. Comment down below and tell me if I did it, or if I tried or not, or if it's a 0 or it's a 10 or it's a 100. Just give me that rating again. Thank you so much for watching, and